Assalamu alaikum, bully world. Peace, peace, peace. Yes, me and my girls in this damn snow. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I think there's another dog that sees us barking. Come on, girls. Yes, Lord. That was a big German Shepherd. Yes, Lord. Ooh-wee. Me and my two girls, we stay on the move. Come on, girls. You can see how Bella looking so good now. Look at her in the snow. Man, when it stops snowing, man. So the bulls can come out and play. Yes, Lord. Gotta let y'all see these pups one more time before a couple of them leave. Y'all can see what Bella created. Yes, my girl right here. I can see what she created. This little girl right here. Yes, Lord. This little 13, 14 inches girl right here. And this one too. They straight. They're your typical pocket. I'm talking pockets. Yes, Lord. Yeah, I just put some MTG Plus on that thing. She gonna grow that right back, 'cause I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, some MTG Plus. And we'll be back to normal. Yes, Lord. Jummah Mubarak and Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak. To all my Muslim brothers and sisters out there, Ramadan Mubarak. Yes, Lord. Ramadan Mubarak. Today's day 6. I hope all my Muslim brothers and sisters are out there fasting. Just came back from work. I bring these two out. I said, you know what? Let's come out and do the do. Nope. Come on. Let's go the other route so I can use the bathroom. They want to get down and busy. You know Bella. Queen, she might want to play, but it's Bella I don't trust. I trust Queen. Queen will go over there, sniff them, and play. But Bella, this one here, she just had puppies like going on 3 months now. It's been like about 2 months. And I tell you, this girl would not let nobody near her puppies but me and my daughter. And that was about it. My son couldn't even go near them. And it was normal. That's this instant. It was normal because she wasn't doing that to the vets, that took care of her. She got a great temperament, let me tell you. It was just mother instinct thing. And that thing kick in, ain't nothing you could do about it. And my daughter, she was just so lucky because when she came to, like off the anesthesia and stuff like that, my daughter was there with us through and through, with her. So it was just me, my daughter, and her. But yes, Lord, now she's good. She's back. You see her? Yes, Lord. She looking good as ever. I know. It ain't never changed with Bella. She always looked good. Bella always looked it good, bully world. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. She wanna get out and run. That's what she wanna do. She wanna run and play. But when she see other dogs, she just get that need for, you know what. Bulls are out. Bring them out. So we bring them out. He's in the bathroom, girl. We'll have them run, but other dogs around, you know, so we're not having that. Got a little slight meeting tomorrow with some people coming to pick up, potentially picking up a pup. So, you know, I don't do meets at my house. Until otherwise, that's just me. But yeah, I decided to bring these two girls to keep me company. Now go ahead and run without me. Hi, Bella. Hi, Queen. Then I rushed to go in that bag to see the other dogs. Hi, Bully World. I know I wasn't on here for a while. It's just busy working and taking care of these pups, you know, making sure they look right for you guys. Oh, they always did look the right, but you know, there's time when puppies go through linky stages, you know. I'm trying to see if those German Shepherds just pop up. Some big German Shepherds, man. Yes, Lord. See it? That's a big German Shepherd right there. That's a big one. See him? Yeah. Come on. Take your time. You good. You good. Yes, Lord. Oh, big boy. That was a big boy. I think there's another boy back here lurking. Bella can smell it. Nope, nope, nope. Not gonna smell the other dog's stuff. No. We want you guys healthy all the time. Man, it's coming down today. Sheesh. Look how deep this snow is, bro. Look how deep this thing is, Bully World. Come on, girl. So, hey, Bully World. My salam.